And the latest crime statistics released today show that 1,087 people have been murdered across the island up to yesterday. This is a 21% reduction over the corresponding period last year, where 1,386 homicides were recorded. 40 children, including 27 boys and 13 girls, have been killed this year. 99 homicides were recorded last month, the lowest, or rather the second lowest, since January. 87 murders were recorded in June. The data also show a decline in all major crimes. There has been a 20% reduction in shootings, 13% reduction in rape, 13% decline in aggravated assault, 11% in robberies, and a 7% drop in break-ins. 637 illegal guns and 10,000 rounds of ammunition have been seized since January. 48 rifles, 13 submachine guns, and 446 pistols have been seized by the security forces.